When a child under 14 is in the vehicle at the time of a DUI, California law adds a sentencing enhancement on top of the regular DUI. That enhancement is Vehicle Code 23572, which means additional jail time is attached automatically once there is a qualifying conviction. It is not a separate crime at this stage. It is extra time piled onto the DUI sentence, and it gets heavier if there are prior offenses or multiple children involved. Beyond the enhancement, prosecutors sometimes file a completely separate charge: child endangerment under Penal Code 273A. This is its own crime with its own elements that must be proven independently. It can be filed as a misdemeanor or as a felony, depending on the circumstances, and that difference matters enormously to the outcome. The enhancement and the endangerment charge are two distinct things. A case can carry one, both, or neither. For many parents, the criminal penalties are not even the biggest fear. A DUI with a child in the car can affect custody proceedings and family court, especially if a divorce or custody dispute is already active. The way the criminal case is handled can influence how a family court judge views the situation. These two tracks, criminal and family law, run at the same time, and decisions made early in the criminal case can shape what happens on the family side. Here is the key point. The enhancement and the endangerment charge both rest on the underlying DUI conviction. If the DUI itself can be challenged on the traffic stop, the breath or blood test, the field sobriety evidence, or the timing of the test, then the added penalties weaken along with it. Weakening the foundation weakens the entire stack of charges built on top. The defenses that apply to any DUI apply here, and they carry even more weight because so much depends on the result. In a case involving your child, presenting the full human picture, who you are as a parent, what steps you have taken since, and the context of that night can influence how prosecutors, judges, and other decision-makers view everything. Mitigation matters on the criminal side, and it matters on the family side. Because so much is at stake, the decisions made in the first days can shape both outcomes, which is why a careful, early approach is so important in cases like this. A DUI with your child in the car is serious, but understanding exactly what you are facing is the first step to protecting your family on every front. I'm Joel Brand, a California DUI lawyer. This is general information, not legal advice. If you want a free written case analysis, it is at DUI.guru.